proven step to make money online from home in 2025. Let's go. Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority. What is Traffic Authority? Affiliate Mentor is the front end for Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is the eyeballs on your offer. No matter what you're trying to promote, we will help you build it online. But Traffic Authority is going to get the clicks and build your email list. The money is in the list. And if you're not building your list, if you're sending people to a page like this, for example, I'm using Affiliate Mentor. Insert your company here. And then your username at the end, you're doing yourself a disservice. You're leaving money on the table. You're not building your list. You're not standing out. You're not offering the bonuses, most likely. You're not building your list. You're sending people the company page. And what the people are going to do is go to YouTube like this, just like this. I'm going to show you exactly what I would do. Okay? Sorry. Give me a second. This is what I do. Okay, the new one is Save Club. Okay, Save Club, best bonuses. This is what I would do. Okay, I'm going to see who's ranking for Save Club and see who's offering the best deal. Okay, and I'm going to take whoever's the best deal, and then I'm going to use their affiliate link, not yours. And then I'm going to find out what you're promoting, right? I'm going to, in an incognito window, and then I'm going to I'm going to find the best deal. I'm going to find out who's going to help me the most. But guess what? There is no person that is going to help you as much as we will. And I'm showing you why. Okay? Even at the $50 level, right? This is what we're offering for free bonuses. This is the site. This is everything I'm using to rank my videos every single day. I'm going to show you what our team is doing, okay? Affiliate Mentor review. This is real time, and I would do this in incognito mode, but you wouldn't see what I'm seeing. You would see a black screen. Postcard Lifestyle. That's Justin Temple, who's going to teach all your people, and he's going to teach you too. Postcard Lifestyle. This is Charles S. Dukes. This is another member of ours. This is another Charles S. Dukes. Again, same person. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. This is Michael De La Cruz. One of his videos ranks number 1 in a major category, by the way. 2 months ago, he made a video. Postcard Lifestyle. 2 days ago. Postcard Lifestyle. Boom. Are you seeing the power of this? I'm going to show you something of videos I haven't even made yet, right? They haven't even been launched yet. This video is ranking number 1, and it premieres later today. No views, right? It premieres later today. And then Charles S. Dukes, you're seeing the same people. And you learn this training right here. And the first step, right? Somebody will actually help you. The problem is duplication and traffic. And we solve those problems and bonuses. You need a carrot so people will join with you. We're offering up to $15,000 in bonuses, right? The first step is to schedule a coaching call with your team leader. So somebody joins you, we have the exact steps of what to do. What to do when you get an AM sale. Boom. The first step is to link them to this site and get them access and have them set up a call with Justin Temple. These calls are designed to be done for you sponsor style to help your team get their AM business set up, even if you're not available as a sponsor. We will help your team because we know many of our affiliates are busy and maybe working a 9 to 5 while running ads. Please prepare any questions you have before the meeting. Book your call now. Who's helping you like this? Literally, I'm going to set up a Friday, right? Friday after work. Boom. This is exactly what they need to do to book the appointment. How to make $1,000 a day. Look, everything you need. 150 email swipes. List the keywords down. List of top Facebook marketers to engage with. The bridge video training. And we'll make a site like this, by the way. Again, if you're sending people to this page, you're leaving money on the table. People are going to find somebody else to deal with, and they're going to go to a page like this. that brands me as the person that they want to join with. They want to click send and make $1,000 a day. They click on this.
Hey, thanks for entering your email address in the previous page. Enter your email address in the previous page.
My name, my email, my bridge video. Again, my name, my picture, my phone number, my email address at my domain, and the bonuses that I'm offering. $15,000 in bonuses, by the way. If you go all in, I'm going to take the $200 from the core year core annual. It's, by the way, it's 2 years, by the way. I'm going to take that $200 and then I'll take the $20 a month from core. 200 plus 220 is 220. I'm going to take all that and I'm going to put it, you and me, in the rotator. And I'm going to send leads and build your email list and build my email list. The first person is going to get the most traffic, because I'm going to take you and me and I'll put me in the you and me in the rotator, and we're going to get all the traffic done for you. And then guess what? If you go all in, you're going to get your own rotator. You'll be able to offer the same bonus to everybody else that joins you. That's one bonus, by the way, $9,997. The team salary training site, that's way more than $2,997. This is all I wanted, by the way. This is what the actual training site looks like. Way more than what I just showed you. But that's all I'm using right now. I haven't gotten into any of this, because I'm still building this for... Sorry, wrong page. I'm doing this for my first business, building all the YouTube videos. See, Mac Mills is about to come in. I'm sure you've heard of Mac Mills. If you haven't, look him up, okay? He got the top spot gifted to him by the company. That's how they know he is a baller, okay? They're going to take Mac Mills, and he's going to bring all of his people in, and he's going to get you, say, okay, I'm going to give you spillover. But guess what? And you will get some spillover. But guess what? The main spots are already going to be built for him and everybody else before they even live good. Okay, you're going to, all this spillover. Guess what? They already built their company before you even got in. They took their dog and their wife and another duplicate of them, and they put those in the top 3 spots. And then guess what they did behind that? They got the leaders to join them. And then the leaders got their leaders. And the leaders got their leaders. All the main spots are going to be taken. But guess what's cool? If you join VIP and we help you fill your own 6 spots, you're going to get $500 and we're going to get $250. And then when you join, and so you fill your 6 spots and somebody else fills their 6 spots, now you're going to get $250 check match. Okay? That's just the VIP level. And then when they fill their 6 spots, they're going to go in your first top spot. Every single time somebody fills their cycler, they're going to go in your top spot. And there's going to be a new spot created at 6 slots. So that's real spillover. You're making $500 every time you fill your 6, and you'll make $250 anytime somebody fills their 6. So you're getting paid to help other people. That's what we're about. We're going to build any business you want. Any business you want with all this training, by the way. This is the main one. For anybody that joins to the $50 level, you get $20 a month. For anybody that upgrades that doesn't want to pay their $20, you get $200 if they go core annual. And they get you get 2 years. What is traffic authority? If you can't get traffic, the eyeballs, the butts in the seats, you're not going to make any money online. Period. And if you don't have somebody that will actually help you, I've been praying all my life and hoping all my life to get somebody like Justin Temple to sign up to help and train me. Okay? This is everything you need. This is all I'm doing every single day, and I'm ranking my videos every single day. You're going to have a clone army of people that are trained with these videos. Look at the ad video, make your first YouTube video. It's a 33-minute training on how, over the shoulder, by the way, on exactly what to do. the keywords, the titles, the thumbnail, everything you need. And also, he just put up some training, by the way, in this Simple Freedom Warrior site on how to rank YouTube videos. I'm sorry, YouTube Reels, Shorts, YouTube Shorts. And look, this is the training I haven't even gotten to yet. And you can be, by the way, once you get in this, if you get to the VIP level, I think you get to the elite marketer level. You can make instant commissions on sales that you didn't even do anything for. Like, you just plug them into the system and sent them to a webinar. And if they convert on the webinar or the webinar replay, you get paid 50% instant commissions to whatever payment method you want. Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, whatever you want to get paid. And you want to get paid in gold, that's cool too. And they just watch the video and you get this free as another bonus. And here's another bonus, by the way, that I haven't read. Access to John Solly. We will help your team and your team's team. Total team bonus value, $14,991. You can give this away to anybody that joins you. The same bonuses. All the bonuses, including the Simple Freedom Warriors. You're going to have a clone army of people. And you're going to be the one that people know, like, and trust. And you're going to have all these. Let me show you real quick. I'm on to the wrong one. Right here. Sorry. This is the wrong thing. Give me a second. List of keywords to 150 email swipes. I don't want to show that, but yeah, 150 email swipes. The bridge video training. Everything you do. How to 10x your AM income. How to make $1,000 a day. The chat room. The VIP bonuses. The traffic road. Man, we have everything. A live coaching schedule. Everything you need to make money every single day. Not just in this company, but in any company. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man a fish, you feed him for a lifetime. This is my Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority video. And Traffic Authority is the front end. Affiliate Mentor is the front end of Traffic Authority. And Traffic Authority is the eyeballs on your offer. Whether you have an offline or online business, you need to be able to get the butts in the seat. You need top tier traffic, and you can get these traffic for up to half off. You can get paid 20, 30, 40 cents, depending on your level, for every member that's been in for at least 2 weeks watching reading your done for you emails. That's done for you by the company. Okay, you get paid even if somebody doesn't buy with you or spend any money. Like, who's offering that? And you can get bigger traffic packages that have guaranteed leads and sales. They've thought of everything. We will help build your list. We will help get you signups, sales, leads, and actually brand yourself as the leader, okay? With a page like this. We will even make your page for $50. $50 to get this all set up for you. You want to be on our team. We have the best bonuses. We have the best team. We have the best team training. We're Simple Freedom Warriors, and we will help you build your business, whatever business it is, whether it's Save Club, whether it's any business, One Up Life, whatever it might be. We will help you build it, and we will help you make 2025 your last year you have to work a job. We're going to help you get your freedom back. Are you with me? It's JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friend name but Solomon. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. This is my Affiliate Mentor Traffic Freedom video. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's do this. Join with me, and I'll put you in my rotator if you join at the fullest level. If you join at $50, get in where you fit in. We'll give you this site that will help you upgrade and build whatever business you want. You can start from the bottom, $50, and give these same bonuses away. All right? I'll see you in the next one. This is JJ Solid. I'll see you in the next one. Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority video. Let's go.